Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Mandeville in Manchester. Mandeville is the capital of Manchester and also the largest town. So we're heading towards the town centre. Straight ahead is the Mandeville market. And on the right you have a lot of supermarkets and malls. This is the Reliance Mall. We have the Super Plus Mall over there. So on the left now is the transport center for Mandeville. So we're going to find all the buses and taxis. So this is what they call the town center. Mandeville has a lot of schools, so as we drive by you're going to see a lot of different school uniforms. So this is the town center. And on the left is one of the transport centers. A lot of taxis over there. Alright, so we're going to this part of Mandeville now, what they call like downtown Mandeville. On the left is another mall. Mandeville has a lot of malls, so has a very large population, and also all the different areas and districts in Manchester and basically central Kingston would shop in Mandeville. This is the main town that everybody comes to in that area. Mandeville is actually in the county of Middlesex, which is in the center of Jamaica. So all those areas would come to Mandeville. All those persons that live in those areas would use Mandeville as the main town. So Mandeville has the courthouse, it has a tax office, the police station, all the government ministries, agencies have offices here, as well as you're going to find all the banks have branches here. Very popular place. On the left is the JN, or the Jamaica National Bank. On the right is another plaza. On the left is the new NCB branch. It's one of the nicest branches they have. Straight ahead on the left. And then if we turn left, we'd go to Mega Mart. We're going to turn right. Alright, so down here now on the right is a COK Credit Union. On the left is First Heritage Credit Union. Now on the right you're going to see a Fesco gas station, but this used to be Heaven's Texaco. That's a very popular gas station in Jamaica, but they had a fire recently and it's now Heaven's Fesco. On the left is the Scotia Bank branch, very nice branch. left is a Juicy Patty's location. As you can see, this is a very busy area. On the right is Sinclair's Bargain Center. You have a lot of supermarkets. On the right is also Bashko. On the left you have a lot of supermarkets. Very busy place, lot of activity. On the right you have Burger King. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.